everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So today I will be showing you how to DIY your own vanity mirror. This desk I actually bought from IKEA. It was for like $80 a steal. The vanity mirror itself cost about while I go, I'll write down what you guys need and how much it costs per item. So trust me, it wasn't even $150 for this mirror and the light. So if you would like to see how you can create your own vanity mirror, keep on watching. So this is everything we're gonna need to create this vanity mirror. We're gonna need measuring tape, soft white globes, I got these from Walmart. Then we're gonna need the screws, which I got from Menards, and a wire cutter. Or you could use any scissors laying around in the house, that would work. And a drill, I borrowed this from my brother-in-law. 4 light bath bar in white finish, I got this from the Home Depot. Also, you're gonna need a frameless mirror in, well, I got the size 20 inches by 24 because I wanted it to be smaller. But you could get whatever size you like. I'm so sorry, I have no clue what this is called, I forgot. But this is what I purchased from Menards. You could show an employee there and they could help you find where this is. So we're gonna measure this, and it's 2 feet exactly. So we could cut this right here, and the top and the bottom the same size. This is exactly what's going to hold the mirror still and keep it stable. Big shout out to my sister for helping me build this vanity. Actually, she built it all herself, so thank you. All I did was buy everything. Right here, she's just measuring the white thing, and then we're just gonna cut it with the wire scissors. So once we measured it 2 feet exactly, we're gonna cut right there. It's gonna be a little bit tough, but once we get through a little bit, we could just break it like so. And here it would be perfect if you could just see if you cut it good and it's even, just so it's not disproportional in the end. And now just measure, put it on top again, and we're gonna cut another one. So now we're gonna measure the width of the mirror, just so we know how far we're gonna put these two. And mine was 1 foot exactly, so it depends on what mirror you get, so make sure you measure. So now we're gonna drill it, the screw, into the white thing. So right on it, just like so, so it stays there and nice and stable, and it's strong enough to hold your mirror. So as you see in the video on the top right, we're going to need a flat screw to drill in right in the middle. This will help the mirror just slide through very easily. And also it'll help if you have an extra friend there, just so she can help holding things, you know, it's very helpful. And now finally the last screw on the far right. There should be 3 in all. And once you're done, we're gonna put the mirror and put the white thing right on top, and just dot with a pen or pencil, preferably. I didn't have any pencils, but just so you know exactly where you're gonna drill the white thing. Here we're repeating the same exact steps, so here we go in fast motion, just to show you the process. Also, we found it easier if you use a hammer first, and once it's nice and, you know, tugged in, use a drill. Because using a drill before it first causes more holes in the wall. So once you got those two up, you're gonna slide the mirror through, and it's gonna kind of be tough because it's gonna be a little bit tight, but it'll slide through eventually. Now we're gonna grab the 4-bath bar light, and we're gonna remove these circular things, just so we can remove this. I also forgot to mention we're gonna need 2 extension cords. Sorry about that. We're gonna use a wire cutter to cut this right off. Then we're gonna cut in between, and then we could just like remove it with our hands a little bit. Now we're going to grab the wire cutter again and try and remove the plastic just so we get to the metal. And with the wire cutter, make sure you're not cutting through the wire, you're just cutting around the plastic, not cutting all the way. Just so you get to the metal, and then you could just simply remove the plastic. So now we're gonna put the extension cord with the bath bar light wires. We're gonna connect them together using the orange cones right there. They come with the bath bar lights in the same package. So we're gonna twist it together. Not all the way through because we're gonna use the orange cone like right here and twist. And the same thing for the other cords. Once we have the wires connected, we're going to put this against the wall and then mark just so we know where to drill it. And now we will drill in the screws into the bath bar light just so it holds it nice and steady. And now we will bring its white cover and put it on top. Now the circular things we removed earlier, we're going to put them back on top. And now we're going to add the light bulbs. Very nice. And then we're going to try plug it into the wall to see if everything works. And voila, it does. Very nice. We worked on the other side off camera because we just didn't want to repeat the steps, but now we're just putting the light bulbs again. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys would like to see next, and subscribe to my channel.